Why I don't use ice after 72 hours of an injury. I'm Dr. Patrick Figueiredo and I'm here to talk about icing, okay? So it's very common, people say, oh, you got injured, it hurts, do some ice and it should help, okay? So if there is an injury, if there is a trauma, I would advise you to really do that, right? So put some ice on, decrease the amount of inflammation that will occur, but after 72 hours, it may not be as useful as everyone, most of us may think, right? So inflammation is a good body response that allows our body to heal, right? So if we try to inhibit it all the time, you may be decreasing your ability to heal itself, right? So what that means is ice usually constrict all those blood vessels that goes to your injured area. So that way it decreases that excessive swelling. However, if you keep putting ice on it, you will keep, constricting some of those blood vessels. And now, in order for our body to heal, it has to get nutrients to that body part, right? So there has to be a consistent blood flow to the area. You should eat properly so your body continues to receive the structures and the body, healing properties that will allow your body to recover and reconstruct and rebuild. And if there is limited amount of vessels, there will be a harder time for your blood to get through that area, right? So after 72 hours, I will, usually recommend people to do some type of movement, right? So continue to, so if your shoulders hurt, move your elbows, move your wrist, so blood flow can continue to go through that shoulder and allow you to get a little bit more nutrients to that area. Ice may just decrease a little bit of the blood flow, and it may numb up the area. It may do, decrease some of that immediate pain, but on the long term, it may just be slowing you down. So what I would recommend, if you're able to move it around, but just decrease the amount of ice that you're putting on an injury, okay? And that will go for just normal, chronic, and everything. So try to improve blood flow to the area, decrease some of the ice, and hopefully that will speed up that process and allow you to heal a little bit faster, okay? I hope it helps.